It's the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount. And this one is, wait for it, Kenko Foods Hiyashi Chuka. So this is a cold noodle. You cook it, drain it, rinse it with cold water, add the stuff on, stir it up, and you're good to go. Definitely something you have in the summer months. And it's got 4 minutes on the boil. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, check that out. Really, really tight little noodle block. So tight. Drop that in. And here, where you go. So, nice this morning. I got up at the butt crack of dawn, man. I got up at 2:50, which afforded me the time and wherewithal to get on the road by 3:30. It's funny. It's like it's not like, oh, I gotta do up my hair. I gotta take a shower. I don't do that. Not in the morning. I'm not going to see anybody. I'm not trying to impress anybody. So it's like, you get up, get going, all is well. And, but it takes time, I guess, to put shoes on and find a hat. But, yeah, so went and did 9 miles walking around this morning. Got some groceries, actually, for today's reviews, which is cool. And, yeah. I gotta say though, it's a weird day. I was gonna have my buddy Eric from Germany on today, but oh wait, maybe I'll have him on a day when I'm having something spicy, because that's his thing. He's all about the spicy stuff. But it's been a weird day because some news came to light about an old friend of mine and another old friend of mine, and so nobody's dead, but it's just a weird situation. Hopefully it all works out with people continuing to be friends and all this stuff. Drama. So, hope that all works out. Kind of got me a little rattled, but I don't know. Anyways. But yeah. So I got a text message yesterday, and they're starting parental orientation for the 2020-2021 school year, and there's one class you can do, and it's on Zoom, and they got it today at 5 p.m. Well, my wife's gonna work late. She'll be getting off like around 6, so I'm gonna have to like hide in here. Hopefully the kids aren't too insane. So yeah, that should be interesting. Maybe they'll want to watch. I don't think they will, but you never know. And I am very much bemoaning that, man, summer's gonna be over soon. I don't know. I used to kind of dread summer because when I was much more overweight, it was just too hot. Now it's like the other day, I walked like 5 miles and it was like 96, 99. It was 99 at one point. I don't think it was 99 for very long, but yeah, I walked around in that hot of a temperature and I loved it. It was like a little bit of a challenge, but it wasn't like it was easy. It was fun. So it's like having that go. I mean, this morning I was kind of cold. It was like maybe like 53 degrees. I'm like, eesh. Still getting used to the temperature change. But the cold end I don't like so much, but being able to handle like enjoying walking around in high temperatures, oh man, after being like really fat and then and having to deal with that and hating it, man, I love it now. Now I love summer. Lose your weight, you'll love summer. So it's just like one of those weird little added perks, like going to a restaurant. Well, we don't do that currently, but it's like going to a restaurant and being able to get into a booth and not having to worry about like gut clearance. You know? That was something I worried about. All right, time to drain and rinse. Let's do that. So, Hiyashi Chuka. Need scissors. I had scissors. Where are my scissors? There they are. Okay. Make sure you can see everything. So I've been playing a lot of music while I've been walking lately. I got a new Bluetooth because my old one kept dying really quick. So I got a new Bluetooth and I've got a Bluetooth speaker. So I've got two separate phones running that. On the Bluetooth headset, I'm either talking to Stumpy or I'm listening to MSNBC. If you guys can't handle the fact that I'm like an ultra I don't know. I won't say I'm like. I'll say I'm ultra liberal. I won't say I'm an ultra Democrat, but I'll say I'm definitely not leaning whatsoever towards the conservative side of things, except maybe on one issue or two, and I can't even think of what those are. So there you go. But yeah, I listen to MSNBC in one ear, and then on my speaker I'm playing like Mr. Bungle or Lovage or like 70s funk music from Ghana or Nigeria or guy Tobacco or Black Moth Superstar or let's do a wide array. You guys should like say, hey, listen to this band, listen to this band, listen to this band. I need new tunes, so if you give me some ideas, I've got Amazon Music, so maybe that's something you can do for me. Let's give this a try. See, I'm really hopeful about the gauge of these noodles being really thin. Not bad. I'm gonna guess this is sesame seed, right? Yes. We got a little sachet of sesame seed garnish. Got a plate. Got rotato. Now, there's no seafood in this. However, we're going to use this just because. Should I use this one or the other one? It's really funny because usually I use a plate that has like an indent, like a big indent. I'm gonna use, yeah, I'll use this. Let's see how it goes. hard to get stuff like this in the center. And that's a little better. Gotta get the liquid to move in slightly. Alright, so the first thing I think I want to do is the egg. I think. Well, let me see what we got here. We've got some tomato. We have some cucumber. This is kind of the way I just do this because it just seems like it works pretty well. Cucumber, tomato. Spring onion. No, that's not spring onion. That's mung bean sprout. And these mung bean sprouts I want to be kind of curvy. A little curvy. Come on, little curvy. This is kind of a weird way to work with mung bean sprouts, I'll admit that. Just hold off on the spring onion for a minute. We need egg. There's egg music. Right. I'd like to give a huge, mega, ultra thank you to my beautiful wife for making these mega eggs of wonderfulness. I was doing it myself for a little while, but I kept just like screwing them up. So I was having a crummy day trying to do it, and she was like, "Here, I'll just do it." I was like, in fact, yesterday she was like, "Hey, do you need more eggs? I didn't see any in that marinating bowl of yours." I'm like, "Really?" "Yeah, I can make you eggs." I'm going to give you a little bit more room to move there. There you go. Cuddle. Cuddle, egg and egg. All right. Yeah, I swear, this whole egg thing has been really like years coming, and it just like took just the right time to get that fire under my butt to go, hey, try it again, it'll work. And it worked a couple times for me, but my wife is more than happy to make them for me now, so I consider myself super fortunate in that respect. And some spring onions. Get off of there. You don't need to be in that egg. That egg does not need to be obfuscated in the slightest. In fact, I don't even want sesame seeds on that egg this time. hell? Oh, is there like shichimi in with it? That must be the deal. Yeah, there's shichimi in with it. Well, I'm gonna call that good right there. What a weird, wild universe we live in, folks. It just seems to be getting weirder and wilder. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy yourself. Just don't let reality get obfuscated by transglutenase, phosphorescent gel caps, and shoes. You're good to go. So let's let Rotato work its beauty magic now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, hey, this has been Alex the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't forget to go over to Umai Crate and go to JapanCrate.com. Look up those Umai Crates and use the coupon code Ramen Raider, the Ramen Raider, for a discount. Have a good one and bye.